Want to master crypto charting and trade like a pro? In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to use TradingView with Binance, from setting it up to placing real trades step by step. Whether you're just starting out or looking to streamline your strategy, this is the tutorial you've been waiting for. Let's dive in. TradingView is one of the most powerful charting platforms for crypto traders. It offers real-time data, customizable indicators, drawing tools, and social features that help you stay ahead of the market. Think of it as your trading control center. While Binance has its own charting system, TradingView offers far more flexibility and depth. You get cleaner visuals, advanced tools, and the ability to automate strategies. Plus, you can place orders on Binance directly from TradingView if you link your account. To get started, head over to tradingview.com and create a free account. You can use most features without paying, but paid plans unlock more indicators and real-time alerts. Once signed in, let's get you connected to Binance. To connect Binance to TradingView, you'll need to create an API key on Binance. Go to your profile, select API Management, and label a new API key. Copy both the API key and secret. Then in TradingView, click Trading Panel, find Binance, and paste in your keys. Note: never share. Let's explore the TradingView interface. On the left, you have drawing tools. At the top, timeframes and indicators. On the right, watch list and order panel. Everything is customizable, so feel free to rearrange it based on your workflow. Now the fun part, technical analysis. Click on Indicators and search for popular tools like RSI, MACD, or Bollinger Bands. You can stack multiple indicators, adjust settings, and even save your custom chart layouts. To see Binance-specific data, type the symbol followed by Binance, like BTC/USDT.Binance. This gives you real-time prices from Binance and lets you track liquidity, volume, and more accurately. Once your Binance account is linked, you can trade directly on TradingView. Just click Buy or Sell on the chart. You can place market orders, limit orders, and even stop limits. It's quick, intuitive, and keeps you in. Here are some quick tips. Use alerts for price breakouts. Never trade without a stop loss. Keep your layouts organized. Sync your settings to the cloud. Always double-check your API connection security. These small habits make a big difference over time. And that's how you use TradingView with Binance like a pro. If you found this helpful, smash the like button, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want more crypto trading tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy charting.